Welcome to PlayQ Planet, where fun meets your brain. Can you spot the odd one out in these tasty groups? Let's get started. First question, which one is not a fruit? Time's up. It's bread. That's not a fruit. That's food made from wheat. Bread has been around for over 30,000 years. Which of these is not healthy food? Yes, the answer is French fries. Yummy, but not the healthiest choice. Fries are made from potatoes, but deep frying adds too much oil. Third question, which one is not a vegetable? Pizza might have veggies on it, but it's not a vegetable. The answer is pizza. Did you know pizza is one of the most ordered foods in the world? Which of these doesn't grow on trees? The odd one out is lettuce. It grows in the ground. Lettuce is mostly made of water, more than 90%. Question 5. Which of these is not sweet? Correct, it's broccoli. That's a healthy veggie, not a dessert. Broccoli is packed with vitamin C, just like oranges. Before going to next question, subscribe this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Okay, let's go. Question 6. Which is not a drink? You can sip the others, but you can't drink pizza. Juice can be made from almost any fruit, even watermelon. Which of these is a dessert? Sweet and round, it's donut. The first donuts didn't even have holes. Question 8. Which of these is frozen? The chili treat is ice cream. That's the frozen one. Ice cream was invented over 2,000 years ago, which is not usually eaten for breakfast. Sushi for breakfast. Maybe in some places, but the answer is sushi. Sushi was first made to keep fish fresh. Now it's a yummy food loved all over the world. Only one of these comes from the sea. Fish live in water, while the others come from land animals. Some fish can glow in the dark under the sea, like real-life night lights. How many did you get right? 8, 10. Comment below and show off your snack smarts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more quiz-tastic fun, only on PlayQ Planet. Thank you for watching.